Hey folks, it's Russ-Fi. Today's Tuesday, June 11th. Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to hop on here, shoot a quick video while I head over to the soap shop to pack up orders. I also have a whole stack of postcards that are going to go out today as well. And I just wanted to talk to you briefly about tonight, because every the first Tuesday, the second Tuesday, and the fourth Tuesday of each month, we have a conference call that our team does, American Bill Money Dream Team, all right? And that's at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And tonight we have a very special guest on. The gentleman that's going to be on talking tonight has earned several $1 million with this opportunity. So if you want more information about the opportunity, if you want to see that it actually works, this is going to be an interesting conference call tonight, and I'm super excited about it. So all the information about how you can get on the call tonight is going to be below this video somewhere, okay? And of course, you can reach out to me if you have any questions, but you know, there's no other opportunity like this. It's super easy. Like I say in all my videos, you can train a monkey to do this. That's how easy this is. If you can put a peel and stick address label and a stamp on a postcard and get it to your post office, you can make this opportunity work, okay? That's how easy it is. So it's good for people who have never made money online before, or people who are looking to supplement their income or replace their income. There's no training involved here. I mean, it's literally as simple as mailing out a postcard. We also have flyers, we have drop cards. You can make videos like I do. I love video marketing. I think it's a very good way to, you know, share your opportunities with other people. But, you know, if you're shy on the camera, you know, you don't want anything to do with social media, you don't have to do any of that. You can literally build this company anonymous, or build this business anonymously if you choose to do so. And so, yeah, that's it. If you want to learn more about this opportunity, you can go to incomedoubled.com/6126. And there's a little capture page there. You just enter your name, your email address, and then a phone number, and click send me more details. This opportunity is for residents of the United States, the Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico only. So you have to live in one of those three places. But it's a great opportunity. It's super easy to do. The company's been in business for 21 years now. It has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. I did a video a few days ago about their Better Business Bureau account. It was opened back in 2004, and the company has 0 complaints in that time. So it's unheard of in the network marketing industry. But yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to invite you to tonight's call. It's at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, all the information will be below this video somewhere. I should have another check from ABM coming in maybe today or tomorrow, and as soon as I get that, I'm going to do another payment proof video so that you can see that this actually works if you work it. All right, you can turn this into it's an unlimited income potential. All right, and I just have to say that we can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this opportunity, but if you put in the work and treat it like the real business that it is, you can turn this in. You know, the sky's the limit. The sky's the limit. Again, tonight you can hear a gentleman who has earned several $1 million with this opportunity. We also have a person in this company right now who earns over $1 million a year with this company. And we have a lot of people earning 6 figures, a lot of people earning 5 figures. My sponsor earns, you know, he hits the 5 figures a month now. And that's what Tina and I are going to get this up to. So I'm pulling into the soap shop right now. But again, I have another stack of postcards that we'll be sending out here as soon as I pack up some orders that we have. I'm going to go down to the post office and drop those off, and drop off these the postcards that we have. So what else can I add to that? I guess that's it for today, for this video. And again, I'll do a video tonight after our conference call if I get the my other check that I'm expecting in the mail from ABM, just to show you some more payment proof. But anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Again, if you're watching this on YouTube, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. And click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.